everyone, I'm Jody. Welcome to my kitchen. I am going to share with you today a simple table decoration that you can use for the holidays on your table. I like to make arrangements for my table on a tray because it's much easier to clean the table. You can just pick up the tray, move it, clean, and put it right back on. So that way you can make a more complex table decoration and not be having to move a bunch of tiny pieces. So we're going to use one of the trucks today. These have been in the stores for the last few years. Trucks seem to be very popular, so I'm sure a lot of you have these in your Christmas decorations. And they're just fun to set around different places, but this is going to be a fun center of the table display, and it's something the kids can help you make too, and you might have the things you need right at home. A lot of the elements for the design are actually ornaments. This was an ornament I got from Walmart. This is just a magnet. I think I got that at Hobby Lobby. And these are cute. You can just put them right on your truck. It's a magnet, so it'll stay on there, kind of like an advertisement sign. This was another ornament, a little sled. And this was an ornament as well. So you might have things already in your ornament stash, or if you want to go to the store and just pick up cute little things that you think would go with your truck. I also got a tree and a couple of picks that went with the colors of the theme I'm doing. And then you'll need some polyfill batting to use as a base for snow. And you can also sprinkle some of that artificial snow on top just to give it kind of a sparkly look. But anyway, we are going to start with our base. We're going to lay down and just kind of pull out our snow. And I already put just a handful inside the truck bed so it looks like it's filled with snow. Then I'm just going to place that on the tray. We've got our tree. It's nice to have a little height. And then we can add actually I'm going to add in a little more snow just around the outside edges. Kids will love doing this project with you. Then we can just add our picks in. You can hide the stems under the snow. And I'll do one on the other side as well. And that gives us a good base to start and add in our smaller elements. And now this arrangement, it's going to be on a table, so you'll have people on each side, so you want it to be cute on both sides. So we'll add things in on both sides of this arrangement. This I just made with a little piece of greenery, formed it into a wreath, and I'm just going to stick that in the grill. Now in my truck, I think I want my skis and maybe this big crate. And I think I'll add my little snowman in here as well. And the fun thing about the trucks, you can decorate them for different holidays too. My friend came up with the idea actually. She wanted to do trucks together for each holiday. We could make or find different ornaments and just things for like Halloween and Thanksgiving and springtime. So you can really, the trucks are very versatile. Okay, so let's see. I think I'll add my little deer. Here. And then here's some cute little bags of reindeer feed. this back here. So there you have it. It's really very simple, goes together very quickly, and it's so cute and fun, and it makes a really great conversation piece, and kids love it. So you can see we've got, this side looks great, and then you turn it around. And people on the other side of the table have a great view too. And it's super easy when you want to clean your table. You just pick it up, take it off, and put it back. So that's it. I just wanted to share this idea with you for something new and fun for your table for the holidays. Thank you so much for joining me today for this little Christmas decorating video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it could spark a few ideas for your own Christmas decorating. I'll share some more ideas for Christmas decor in an upcoming video, so I hope you will come back again soon. And until then, have a great week and take care. Bye-bye.